Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be focusing on wool rugs. Now, wool rugs come in all different shapes and sizes, and they're woven from various different countries as well. However, this particular wool rug that I'm showing you is woven from Afghanistan and has a Turkish uşak design. What's so great about wool rugs is the fact that they're easy to maintain, and that's why we prefer to sell wool rugs to the majority of our clients, especially those that have families and pets, because they're relatively easier to clean and just easier to maintain down the line. And just to show another wool rug, this one right here is a modern design, but of a Moroccan weave. And as you can see here, the pattern is relatively pixelated, and you have this rib design going along here, which gives it that Moroccan texture. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we feature some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.